Welcome back to Create Income with or without a job. I'm Jamila Harris, your Create Income coach. Thought you'd like an update on my herb garden that I planted the other day in these unique little seed starters with their own LED lights. So the seeds are in there germinating. Thought you'd like to see how these function with their own grow lights. So that they have moisture, they have grow lights, and what's happening? The seeds are germinating. We've got things growing. There's oregano, holy basil, see the germination, and a little of the lemon balm is germinating. Can you see those greens? Little lovely seeds germinating, and so is the chamomile. So listen, seeds are cheaper than food.